Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin at the ATM with your card and PIN in hand. Insert the card chip first or tap if contactless. The machine reads it to identify your account. Once the card is accepted, select your language so prompts match what you expect. Make sure to shield the keypad with your hand when entering the PIN. This prevents shoulder surfing and fraud. After PIN entry, watch for account or transaction options. Choose Withdrawal Now to continue the process. Once you've entered the menu, choose the account you want to draw from: checking, savings, or credit, because each routes differently through the bank. Then type the withdrawal amount using digits. Enter $20, $40, or a specific sum and press Confirm so the machine reserves those funds. Make sure to read any fee notice and check the available balance on screen if provided. This avoids overdrafts. After confirming, wait calmly while the ATM processes your request. When the ATM dispenses cash, grab the bills immediately and count them quickly to verify the amount. Take your receipt if you requested one so you have a record. Once done, make sure the machine returns your card before walking away. The session ends when you remove it. If the card is retained or cash is missing, stay at the machine, note the terminal ID, and call the bank's number on the screen or your card. If needed, block the card right away to prevent misuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.